May 19th. Welcome to Sunday. Hello, everyone. On this quiet day, I just wanted to come out to my balcony and just look at all my plants and flowers. It's so nice just to slow down a bit, to come out and just listen to the birds sing me a little melody like it's the beginning of the week. Have a great day. Your garden looks lovely. Well, that's what I think they say. I'm going to replant my strawberries. I don't think that this is the correct bowl for them, and I found another bowl that I think will work better. Now let me say I have no idea what I'm doing. I am a beginner gardener, and I have to say I love every moment that I get to come out and play in the dirt and just see how my plants and herbs are growing. Now I purchased this container from the Dollar Tree and it was $1.25, and I punched the holes in the bottom so the strawberries would have a proper drainage. So I think that this is going to work better for me, or at least I hope it does. So let's get started replanting them. I'm going to use this garden soil that I purchased from Aldi's, and it was on clearance for $2.50. I liked it because it said it was natural and organic, and it had the pictures of like all the veggies on there, so I was like, sure. So I'm going to use like this scooping tool to pick up the dirt and put it in my container pot. So there you go. And I'm sorry, I don't have a tripod, so I'm trying to do this with one hand and holding the camera with the other hand, which does not work. So there you go. I'm just adding some of the garden soil here, and I really like this soil. So there we go. I'm going to use this tool to dig 3 holes so I can repot the strawberries in the old pot to the new container. 1, 2, 3. So I transferred one of the strawberry plants into the container, and there it goes, and you can see the roots. And then I'm also going to replant another one in there. So there you go. But I don't really think that this is going to work, and I don't think that I can get all 3 of the strawberries plants into this container, and I'm trying to condense the space because patio area is really small. So let's see what other pot that I can find. So I'm gonna just use this one. I'm trying to use all the pots that I have. So this was a pot that I purchased another flower in, so let's try it with this one. And I think that it looks really good, and I like this pot because it's really tall, and I think that the roots can grow down and that I can, hopefully produce a lot of great tasting strawberries. So what do you think? Do you guys have any planting tips that you can give me, because I am a beginner gardener? So I'm just finding other pots that I can use. I really like this one as well because it's super tall, and I think that would be great for my strawberry plants. So I have one more that I'm going to put into container number 3. So I added some dirt, and then eventually I'm going to add the last strawberry plant into the container. And there you go. I have replanted my strawberry plants. I've made a lot of mistakes being a beginner gardener, but mistakes are good because I'm learning. I would start off with the pot size that I want instead of like going from small to medium to large, because that takes a lot of time, and I think that you could be doing something else or growing more seeds. That's what I think. But as I said, I'm not an expert. I just love gardening. I just love getting my hands dirty and just planting things, and I'm just super excited to taste the things that I'm growing. So this is the rest of the soil, and it's very wet, so I'm hoping having a longer container that the soil will not get so wet. And that is the other container that I did not use. And I just need to clean up my mess. And there's my hands. I know I need a little lotion, but hey, it's okay. It's Sunday and I'm planting in my garden and it's so much fun. So I'm going to clean up the mess that I made replanting the strawberries. So I try to, keep my garden space nice and tidy. And this is what the finished product looks like. So I have 3 repotted containers of my strawberries, and I just think that they look pretty good. So I'm also growing tomatoes, Swiss chard, and I don't remember what this plant is. It could be basil, I think. Not sure. So I just love planting. I have some lavender that I'm trying to grow from seeds. So this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you guys on my very next one. See ya.